So the C1S electric scooter box says, this side up, do not lay flat. Just doing a walk around of the box. It's wet underneath from the photo I took, but it was delivered near my door. Got the extra here with that. Okay. I don't want me to lift this up past that. Let me put it in. So okay, looks like I'll have to lift the entire bike out. Let me see if I can get this past the freaking light. There we are. So I'm gonna take this out and lay everything out. It's looking new as I proceed to slide it out the box because because it's extra heavy trying to lift it. But I'm not certain what this is on the box here. I'll find out. Let's see. So yeah, everything looks good. I just got to continue to slide it out the box. Quick little walk around. So everything's popped off. The still got to get this under here. This box for some reason is already open. Already open, as you can see. And then this flap here is pushed down. So I don't know why this is open. I have no clue. That might be, I don't know what that is actually, until I read the documents. Okay, this is just bubble wrap, basically. Okay. There's a basket. Oh, that's the rear basket. Okay. This is the last clasp I'm going to remove from the bottom of the cart. This is the rear cart. There were only 3 for some reason. One here, one there, and a clasp here, but not a clasp here, but just 3. Seems like it would have been 4. One there, here, and there, but there wasn't one there. So this is everything. I believe the first item there is a bike lock. I'm honestly not certain yet, but I'll see. There's a seat, tools, manual, charger, adapter, and rear basket. Here's the bike. Everything looks good. I was kind of wondering about this part here. It's used. We have this part here that was already open are the pedals. I realized those are the pedals. I have yet to still kind of. Okay. Remove it now. I'm gonna attempt to put everything together. It looks good. Doesn't look damaged. This is a used vehicle, which I'm not certain. Um, they could have easily replaced these parts here with new. Even the seat. The seat here. Seat looks good. No scratches, scuffs, or fingerprints that I could tell. The bike lock kind of appears a little dusty and worn. I don't know if that's warehouse dust or usage. Um, Concern I have here is this looks worn. It looks used. Yeah, definitely not so sure about that part. And under here looks like, I don't know, it's been managed some kind of way. And right here, managed some kind of way. Unless this is exactly how they finish up the work, do the finishing touches. There. Yeah. I just want to point out that before assembling the handlebar, there's already indication of these little lines here. And let's see. They're this piece here that goes on top has the lines on it. So I don't know if it's been used or it's indicating that's where I need to place the handlebars when I lock this, assemble this part. So it took me 3 hours to assemble this from 7 p.m. to 10. The issue I'm having is um, right here. This isn't in tightly. I'm trying to figure out how to do it. But this is my new C1S I got for my birthday. It came on time, just a little late in the evening. It came though. I'm going to figure it out. I've gone on YouTube and I'm going to try to contact the company because I don't know if something's malfunctioning with the handlebar. This part here, you got to line everything up. I have, and oh, and the light doesn't work. I don't know if it's because this, I haven't put this in tightly adjusted correctly, but this does not work at all. The backlight does. I like the bike. Pretty nice. I purchased this CS1 electric scooter that arrived on my birthday as planned. I just finished a full install at 5:55 p.m. May 24th. On my on 5/22 on my birthday, I've completed everything. I assembled every piece in place, but it's the upright tube that I just finished installing today, which I'm so happy about. They sent customer care sent me a video to show me how to install it appropriately. So I got the job done and it's ready to go. I've already test driven it in the house. Oh, lots of fun. It's very powerful, so I don't plan on continuing to test drive it in the house, but I think this thing is, I don't know how to describe it. I'm just really happy, pleased with it. So yeah, it has many great reviews. So I guess I'm one of the reviewers that's giving it a I'll give it a I'm gonna give it a 9 until I take it outside and really put it to the test with mode 1, 2, and 3. Because this baby goes fast in mode 1. Like you gotta really hold on because it takes off. Yeah, it's real powerful.